Hi, welcome back. In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to install a VirtualBox on Windows machine. If you already know how to install a VirtualBox, then you can skip this lecture and directly move on to the next lecture. And if you don't know, then let's get started. Okay, and the other thing is, if you're a user other than Windows like Mac or Linux user, then you'll find a link in the resources section which will explain to you how to install the VirtualBox on the corresponding machines. Okay, so the first thing that we need to understand is what is VirtualBox. A VirtualBox is a cross-platform virtualization software which is used to install multiple operating systems inside our machine. Okay, like Windows or Mac or Linux, we can install multiple operating systems inside one operating system with the help of this software. Okay, to install the VirtualBox, the first thing that we need to do is go to virtualbox.org. okay, and here is the link, and here you will find a link for download VirtualBox 5.1. It is the latest version of the VirtualBox. So click this download link, and here you will find 4 options for Windows host, OS X host, Linux distributions and Solaris host. So we are Windows users, so here I would like to click this link, and you can see the download begins. So for now I'm cancelling the download because I already downloaded it on my machine. So to install it, just double click and run. Okay, click on next, next, next. It displays a warning, so click yes, install. Okay, it takes some time to install. Okay, here you can see a shortcut is created on the desktop. It takes some time to configure the software, so you need to wait for some time. And here we go, our software is installed. Click finish. Okay, this is how our software looks after installation. So our software is installed successfully here. In the next lesson, we're gonna learn how to install a Ubuntu Linux server, okay, inside this virtual machine.